Alright, back again. I say that more obnoxious each time, don't I? So right about now it is 9 a.m. on a Tuesday morning. It's May 5th on day 22. And I am going for an oil change. Woohoo! Stock budget auto outlet. Look at that price. Can't beat that, if you can see it. Look at this, and here we are. I think I just pull right in. See if anybody gets angry that I'm just pulling in. There's the guy that's gonna do it. I think his name's Leroy, or else John. Delicious. Whoa, now this is luxury. Brewers. That's a deer. On the wall. Looks like a coffee machine. I could smell it since I walked in here. Ooh, TV. Very luxurious. Magazines.
Educators invest all of themselves in the work each day, and our state's top test scores and high graduation rates are proof of their dedication. Join we at the same thing.
So how's it going, Eric?
It's going quite wonderful.
That's awesome.
Quite wonderful.
So everything checking out, or we'll find out in a few minutes?
Everything's looking wonderful so far.
Alright. Hey, there we go. Yeah, a little bit of oil seepage. So now it's always a good idea to get your oil changed every 3,000 miles.
Correct.
Why is that?
Well, just like any other organic material, oil breaks down. Just like bread, it gets moldy after oil. Just like oil, it breaks down. All the organic property of it, it stops it from dissipating heat, lubricating your engine. If you don't have lubrication, obviously, you're going to have failures.
Yeah. So I noticed on the ticket, on the thing, it says 3,000 miles or by the date.
Correct.
So you can do either or, whatever comes first.
You can do either or. Just like organic material, over time it'll break down, but also with heat and friction inside of the motor, it's going to break down much faster.
Oh, okay.
Depending on how many miles you drive.
So if I go like 5,000 or 6,000 in a month, I should probably get it changed?
You probably should get it changed.
Okay.
Correct.
Okay. Good to know.
Good to know.
Good to know.